Pado, okay kayo man. Welcome back to my channel, Rich Life at 60. Okay, here's our topic for today. Here are my points for telling you all my mishaps. Bakit ko laboring i-share kaya kayo yung mishaps ko or ditang mali kong gawa. So here, I want you to learn from me. So from my mistakes, wrong decisions, bad habits, poor mindset na rin. Because I do believe life is not the best teacher, but it is someone who have walked a bad life, full of challenges, obstacles, carry their own heavy luggages alone, get mocked instead of support from friends, and worse from his or her own family. So when you have a job and then you resign, tapos instead na i-support ako, na ano sabihin na kaya ka, diba? So tapos pag may business ka, akala na nakakaral pera, and real talk, wala kang akuang support from close friends or even families. Mas in support, sabi dapin, strangers are rooting for you. So mas dakal ka akuang buyers na mag-support kaya ka, and even simple things like share and like the page mo, the post mo, di ba, mas dakal na rin strangers gawa ka rin. And then you did have to take the path I walk in. Instead, I can guide you somehow. Iwasan na rin ang baku-bakong dalan na delanan ko for you to have a life you ever dream of and live it according to your own terms. Di ba nung halimbawa, at suka king meto nga dalan mag-drive ka, tapos may stranded ka, syempre ating mas mumuna kaya ka, tapos sabi na nitang mas mumuna kaya ka, alina katutuloy, or ating sinabi kaya ka, sabi daretang tanod or somebody else na sabihin da, alina katutuloy kasi delikado or mature yung dalan, potang bibahamak ka pa, ininamo yung dalanan mo, kaya di kayo po dumalan, makanyan, ini po yung masanting dalan, papunta po kayo ang destination nyo. Di ba maniwala ka rin na itry mo yung dalan na ito, kasi naman mag-risk kawari kitang balo mo ng delikado yung dalan, na pota mapahamak ka, or pota manasakit kayo, dumalan ka pa ka rin wari, di ba? Nung atin ang sinabi kaya ka na, nakadadalan ka rin, nakadumalan, di ba? As simple as that. Di ba? Siguro, mas simpleng din nung ating sinabi kaya kamakanta na adi nakadadalan Kenny ka dumalan. Bakanta po tang dasan mitang destination mo, safe ka. So, same with our life, with our lives na nung ating tinuro kaya kang, or ating sinabi kaya kang, adi ka makanini, adi mo gagawan nini, deni din dapat mong gawan, deni rin gawan mo, o magbusa ka kini, magbusang makanini, deni gawan tamo. Siguro mas easy yung life tamo, kesa kitang pagdalanan mo, nung alang sinabi kaya kang delikado kitang dalan nito, dire-diretso ka, ang gaking baku-bakuya pala, or maybe mas stranded ka pa, or maplatan ka, or ano ba, or baka ating tanaman na maragulsang ang makaharang kayong dalan, things like that. Ali mo balo kasi di ba alang sinabi kaya ka, pero ketang uling atin ang sinabing aliwa na dinalan na ka rin, or mapalyaring ating mikibalo ketang lugar ito na makanta ka delikado, tiro nakikita ang aliwandalan. So, no ka rin ka dumalan, di ba? And also, I just want you to reach your destination with lesser turbulence. Itang bala mo nung mag-flight ka sasakay kang eroplano. Di ba itang alang turbulence nga us da karitang ariya magulo masyadong eroplano, ariya magalo. So smooth ya mo nung naman king barko, alam masyadong alon. Kaya tatamong tahimik ka kaiban tadi ka magkasisik sabi dapit. So I will leave you with this question for now. At age 45 or maybe 50 or 60, how do you want to spend your old age? Comment your answer below and follow me for more. See you on my next video. Bye. God bless.